Hi guys, WonderSun here. In this video I am bringing you the progress of the week of PyOneDark, where I finished the left menu bar and I'm almost finishing the title bar widget. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed so as not to miss any news, and don't forget to leave your like. Both the left menu bar and the title bar of the application are custom widgets, where widgets are displayed, such as internal buttons and tooltips. These menus are easily created using a Python list where each button is created based on a dictionary. You can easily create new ones and also change their properties with a few lines. It is possible to create the menu with the selected function as shown in the video, where the button is created with a new style. It is also possible to choose whether the button will be displayed at the top or at the bottom of the left menu bar. In the main window I am returning which button was clicked and printing your ID or name in the application's console. You can use these resources to create the functions to open a new application page or any other function you want. Soon more news for you here on the channel. This project is only possible to be created thanks to Patreon supporters, where they allow me to dedicate more time to these projects. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.